Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Frizz and Frills, Chloe here. Super excited to have you here as always. Today we are going to be doing a holiday hydrate and style. So as you can see, we have a little bit of a fun, really quick and easy style that we're going to be doing for the holidays. I wanted to make sure it was something that's super attainable. You can do it in a flash when you're getting home from work, etc., etc. You want to make sure it's super easy because we already spent a lot of time on our curls, and we also don't want to ruin the curl pattern either when we do a holiday style. So I figured this was a really quick and easy one for us. So I'm going to take you guys through that, but first we have to go through how to hydrate the curls, right? So I'm going to throw it over to previous Chloe. Before we got all glam and these curls are nice and hydrated, when I had my dry curls, and we're gonna throw it over her to explain what we're gonna do. Hold up, back it up, you guys. I forgot to tell you, before we go to other Chloe, I forgot to tell you, we are gonna be doing a really fun special treat for you guys, a giveaway. I know you guys wanna earn some curly girl deep conditioners, right? Okay, so make sure you stay tuned till the end of that video. Don't skip through. I know what you're gonna do. Don't do it. Watch the video because we got lots of good tips and tricks. And then at the end, I'll tell you guys what you gotta do, okay? All right, now on over to earlier, dry, very curly Chloe. Today we're gonna be doing something really fun because it is the holidays, as well as the holidays come with dry hair because it is officially winter. Not happy about it. But we're gonna make the best out of it, and my curls need some deep hydration right now, so I'm gonna walk you guys through using one of my absolute favorite deep conditioners. Now, if you guys haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up on all my tutorials and all my tips on curly hair and beauty and lifestyle galore. That's what I'm here for, and I'm uploading videos once a week, at least I'm trying to. And if you aren't already as well and you haven't followed me over from Instagram, make sure to head over there because in all honesty, that's where I spend a lot of my time and that's where I'm active on the daily. YouTube, I'm trying to be on that like once a week level, but over on Instagram, that's where you guys are gonna see in my stories like my day-to-day life and my daily tips and tricks and things like that. So definitely make sure you pop over there if you haven't already. So Not Your Mother's, oh so graciously, actually is the sponsor of this video. And I'm so excited because I adore their hair masks. And with the season, they have holiday ones. I'm so excited. So we have 3 to choose from. I'm gonna rip this open and we're gonna see which one we wanna use today. So one of the things that I do wanna quick mention that I absolutely love about their hair masks is that they're all curly girl friendly, which is amazing because it's not always the easiest to find. These are all from their Naturals line and they're super crazy affordable, which is amazing. So if you can see here, they all say 98% naturally derived, which is fantastic. And then if you look at the back too, right over here, it says, and I know that's not very clear right there, but it says no sulfates, no silicones, no parabens, no dyes, no gluten, and no phthalates, which is amazing. And so I ran these through the Curly Girl bot site to make sure, double check all of the things to make sure that it is in fact Curly Girl CG friendly, and it is, so you guys don't have to worry about that. And I will have all the links in the bottom here in the description so you guys can go check that out. And these, again, these packs right here are only available for the holidays. All right, so we have 3 to choose from. We have the passion fruit kombucha and awapai ginger. Looks fun. This one is about brightness and shine. So that's number 1. Number 2 we have to choose from is the activated bamboo charcoal and purple moonstone. Intensifies softness without buildup for stressed out hair. Ooh, that might be what we might need today because seriously, my hair, I got it done at the salon and I got my roots done and like my highlights and got everything back to where it needs to be. And the struggle with that is whenever I go into the salon, it always gets so much drier, and this time of year, it just gets so much drier too. So like I am in need of all of the masks right now. This one, I think this might be the winner today, but We'll find out. Next thing is the Blue Sea Kale and Pure Coconut Water. So this one's for weightless hydration and electrolyte minerals. Okay, so this is what that one looks like. So these are the 3 that come in this pack. Super pumped. Obviously, we can't use all of them today, so I think we're gonna use the activated bamboo, charcoal, and purple moonstone. I think that sounds really interesting, and I need all the softness right now. Seriously, like all of it. So we're gonna go take us into the shower and get all moisturized up and see how this goes. Okay, with our mask, we're gonna start from our ends, moving up. We really wanna focus on making sure that we do not add any extra tangles, snarls that we already have, and by working from your ends up to your roots, that's going to prevent any additional breakage. We really want to prevent anything, any extra loss of hair, any extra breakage. Super important when we're going through and detangling and we're finger combing like this. Notice that I'm also taking that additional extra product and bringing that up. Once I feel like I've used enough of that, then I go back into the packet and use more. You may even be able to get 2 uses out of this packet, so keep that in mind depending on how much hair you have. We're going to find some snarls, so we're finger combing for a reason so that you can get through those gently. Then move to the back of your neck, underneath kind of like that nape of the neck area. That area tends to get very tangled very easily. Once you're done there, then you're gonna wanna move up towards the face area. So those little curls, they're typically a lot thinner by your face. So you really wanna make sure to concentrate on those, make sure they're nice and moisturized since those get kind of the brunt and they're also the main focus. Ugh. Now we're gonna focus up towards the root area. Add a little bit more if you need it, if you feel like you're not sliding through your curls as easily. And you're going to find some snarls up there too. So make sure you're gentle with your curls because we, again, do not want to add any additional breakage. Yes, that's what we're looking for right there. It's my favorite part of it all. Ow, that really did hurt, actually. My shower is so tiny, so it is what it is. But don't forget that back part of your hair. It's really important. So pretty much, guys, just remember to try to get all of the areas of your hair because you want everything moisturized. You don't want to have one spot not moisturized. Nice. Okay, it is officially worked through. That took us about 5 minutes to run that through our curls. Then we'll take an additional 5 minutes to let that really sink into our hair to get moisturized. During that 5 minutes, just go shave your legs, go play with your rubber ducky, whatever. So we are all set. Now we can rinse out this deep conditioner. We only want to rinse out about 50% of it though, and you'll probably want to concentrate on the top half more than anything because you can leave a lot of that moisturizer in the ends. And we'll do a quick fast forward. So we are fully styled and we have our holiday red lips on. We have some holiday earrings on. We are officially ready, minus the full holiday style. We're gonna wanna do something that's a little bit different than the normal style, right? We wanna amp it up a little bit for the holidays. We got like the sparkle jewelry on. We've got the fierce red lips. We want a little extra something for the hair. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys how to just amp it up real quick. Nothing crazy. It's gonna, honestly, this shouldn't take you more than 2 to 5 minutes, okay? So here's what you're gonna need. 2 normal bobby pins, okay? I have my little gold blonde ones so that they just blend right in. These are what's actually gonna hold our style down. And then we need some fun ones. So I grabbed just from, I think I got these at H&M if I remember right. If I dig them in H&M, I have them linked down below and some other cute options for you guys. But so we have a little pearl one. So this is gonna go with pretty much anything. All of these are. Whoop, just lost it. Almost lost it. And then we have this one that's more of a crystal, super cute, very sparkly. And then we have just this really cute gold one. And it's just really simple. So all of these go with pretty much anything, which is amazing. So I am wearing just like a really fun, like little, if you guys can see, like just a little ivory sweater. It's like cropped, it's comfy, it's easy, but it's also kind of holiday-esque. So I figured this would go really cute, and honestly, with anything that you wear for the holidays, this is gonna go adorably. So number one, we're actually going to go ahead and grab this, like you see this like top area, okay? So like normally I have it off to the right. Instead, I am actually going to take this area and just like, not too much, I don't wanna take too much because I don't wanna like do a full like half updo, just like a little bit. Okay, that looks like about right. Yeah, I think I wanna leave that down. Yeah. Okay, so we're just taking that little bit, and then once you have the spot that you want, you're gonna take those outer areas, because especially if your hair is thick, if your hair is thin, this probably isn't as big of a deal, but if your hair is thick, it's almost impossible to get all of it into a bobby pin, especially like a cutesy one. So you're gonna take those outside pieces and put them on top, okay? Once you have those on top, then we're gonna take this cutesy little pearl one, excuse me as I hit this in my tooth, and then we're just going to grab that top layer with it. Okay, so you see how it's like lifted though? So we need to actually anchor it down with something that is going to blend in, which is where those two normal little bobby pins are gonna come into place. So we're gonna X those in at the bottom. So we're just gonna take this, fix it where you want it, underneath all the curl and underneath that bobby pin. And we're gonna like just it in, right? Okay, so we got one, okay? The other one, we're gonna put in on the opposite side, and we're gonna just like X that in, okay? So we wanna put that little X because that's what's really going to bring it down. So you see we've got that little guy in there. So he is officially in there and like really not gonna move. Now we're going to take this thicker gold one, and we're just going to put that a little bit further. Actually, you know what? I think I'm gonna put this in the front. Because I think, no, yeah, let's put this in the front. I want it to show a little bit more in the front. Okay, so now you guys can see we have both of those. And then we're gonna take the sparkle one, and we're gonna put that one in the front as well. So the gold one, the thicker one, is in the middle. And we're just gonna stack them right on top of each other. And now we have like an adorable little set of clips on the top that just add a little extra oomph. So at the end, we're gonna want to fluff it out, okay? So shake it out, give yourself some more volume, okay? Like at the root, on the bottom, on the top. Just don't mess up what you just did. Okay, and then we have a really cute and easy holiday look, guys. And my hair feels so moisturized. It's amazing. Okay, there we have it. Super, super easy, but also adorable. Looks like you made a little extra effort, when in reality, you hardly made any effort at all, which is the best part of it. Okay, so the last thing, as I clued you guys in before we end this video, is we are doing a giveaway, and I'm so excited. So with this giveaway, here's what we're gonna do. Here's how you enter. So all you guys are gonna have to do in order to enter is so simple. All you guys need to do is go down to the description and go to where I have it labeled giveaway link, and that will take you straight to my Instagram post that is all of the same video here, but it's going to have the directions on what you need to do. It's gonna be so simple. You guys are gonna be so excited, and there's 5 winners. 5! So excited. Not Your Mother's is so amazing. Their team is incredible, and their products are incredible, and I'm just super excited to be doing this with them. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys got some really great tips out of it on what you need to do in order to get your hair nice and hydrated for the winter and for the holidays, and a fun little easy holiday hairstyle support my girls with the curls. And if you guys haven't already, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you guys are up to date on all of my curly tutorials as well as any fun lifestyle little hacks and tricks that I do. Until next week, I'll see you soon. Bye guys.